National Weather Service says a red flag warning will be in place for all leeward areas tomorrow as tropical storm Honolii is expected to bring 30 to 40 mile-per-hour winds this weekend.
A tropical storm warning is now in effect for the Big Island. Let's go right to Justin Cruz for what we need to know. Just.
First and foremost, as the system moves closer to the islands, it went from a watch to a warning. That it was anticipated. No surprises there. This covers waters surrounding the Big Island and the Big Island itself, as well as the Alinui Haha Channel. And we have that fire weather warning that is for all leeward areas. This kicks in tomorrow due to low humidity and high winds.